Okay, so now let us look at how to start a Google Classroom. So we go back to our Classroom tab. The Classroom tab contains the classrooms that you have. Now let us try to start a new classroom. So over here, there is a plus button, and that says create or join a class. So this button will also be used by students to join a class, but we are going to create a class now. So I create a class. I give a name to the class. Let me say class 9. Uh, Section doesn't matter. Subject is physics for me, and the room also is not necessary. And then I just click create. So I just need to give fundamentally a class name and what subject it is. If you want, you can also give the other details and create. We're waiting for the system to respond to that creating. This typically takes a few seconds to happen, and we have created that. So now when your class is created, this is the kind of screen that you will get. There is a certain theme that is automatically selected by Google. You can of course change this theme, or you can also upload your own photograph for this. Now in this class code, sorry, in this screen, you have a class code, which is a code that is given, which is what you can give to your students to get them to join the class. Or and also it has a meeting link. This is for Google Meet, that is a video conferencing method. But since we are not using that, I won't go into it right now. And basically you have a stream with a wall on which you can write comments. So say for example, just like in Facebook, you can type over here anything that you want to convey to your students, like hi, this is the class for physics. And when you post it, whoever is available, whoever is enrolled in this, they will get that information. Right now there's nobody enrolled, so I'm not going to post that. And then you have the classwork section. There are 4 tabs, as you can see over here. The classwork section is where you create the assignments and questions, and basically you use this as the way in which you hand out work and receive work from students. More on that later. This is the people tab. This is the tab in which you enroll the teachers. In this case, I am only one, but I can also put in other teachers if I require. I'll show you how to do that later. And also the students. You can invite students by giving them the class code, or you can also directly invite them. There will be another video on how to do that. And a grades section for the students who have been graded on the work that they have done. So this is how it looks like. And if you go back to classes, now you see that there are 3 classes: rotational motion, problem solving, and class 9. So that's all for the time being.